cause I slay, I slay, I slay, I slay, all day, I slay, I slay, I slay, we gon' slay.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kaybeauty, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. Hey, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm going to be doing my makeup, and I'm going to be showing you guys my outfit for today and my fragrance for today as well. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, continue watching this video. Okay, ladies, so the first thing you want to do before any makeup application is to wash and moisturize your face. And the second step will be to apply some primer. And I'm just going to go in with this primer here. Yeah, I literally tweaked. I was supposed to get new primer when I went shopping for makeup, but I didn't get any. But next time I go shopping, I'm definitely gonna get a new primer. But this primer works pretty good, and you can purchase this primer from Target. That's where I purchased mine from. So I'm just gonna apply that primer on my face here. And this primer is basically a base so that your foundation can last all day. So now I'm just going to take this Maybelline Fit Me press powder, and I'm just going to press this powder into the oily spots of my face just to get some of that shine down. Okay, so y'all see how that took away all that shine that was on my face at first? So you're just going to press that powder into your skin. I'm going to use this LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn just to clean up my brows. Because I did do my brows off camera. I do have a detailed brow tutorial in one of my videos, so make sure you check that out if you are wondering how I do my brows. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my brows real quick. And just to brighten it up a little bit, I'm going to go in with Cool Tan as well. And then I'm just going to take my one of my Morphe brushes and just go ahead and clean that up. Okay, so now it's time to get into foundation. I'm going to go in with this NARS foundation in the color. This is the color here. Hey, perfect. Yes. Okay, so for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel London Super Stay. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Okay, so I did get a new bronzer, a Fenty bronzer. I'm so excited to try this new bronzer. Hey, so I'm just gonna take a little dab. Ooh, she's pretty. Blend that contour up into your brows. And go in and set everywhere I put that concealer. This is a very important step, so you want to make sure that you do this part, because it lifts your face. Like, you see how it just lifts? Hey. So make sure you don't skip that step. I'm gonna go back in with some more Coco Nadi. We're gonna go in with some blush from Anastasia. I like to just mix these two together. And apply it, like going into that contour on the apples of your cheeks, and just blend that together. Just like that. Not too much. For lashes, I'm gonna use these lashes that I purchased from the company Lash Nation. And this is how the lashes look. So let me just pop these on real quick and I'll be right back. Yep, I'm gonna go in with this contour palette. And I'm gonna use this color here and use this fluffy Morphe brush. I'm gonna use a small compact Morphe brush and take this darker color right on my lid. Go back in with that first brush, no more product, and blend that out. So now we're gonna get into lips. For lips, I'm gonna use this Black Radiance lip brown lipstick. And I'm just gonna use this to outline my lips. And then I'm gonna take my e.l.f. this lip gloss here. Okay, girl, so the fragrance for today is this Bath and Body Works collection that I got as a gift for Christmas. It looks like it's a 3-piece set. Comes with a hand cream, a mist, and a shower gel. And this set is called In the Stars. So I'm just going to spray this and make sure your hands are not dry. You gotta keep your hand cream on deck. I love this hand cream. Smells really good. Yeah, got my nice cute scarf on and my trench coat. This is my purse. Cute. So let me just give y'all a full body. So I got this jacket from Shein. It's very pretty. It was only $11, y'all. I think this, it was on sale. I was like, ooh, this is very pretty. Gotta get this. And it was like, there was like a stain on it, I believe. So I contacted them and actually I got a refund for it. So this actually was free. These is from MissLola.com. I will be sure to post in the description bar the link. But yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. I look real cute today or whatever. I'm gonna go get me a new phone. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.